car vacuum cleaners are essential for maintaining cleanliness, removing dust, debris, and pet hair efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Svoko car vacuum cleaners. The Svoko 4-in-1 handheld vacuum is a powerhouse for home, car, and on-the-go cleaning. Its 85,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor delivers a hurricane force 21,000 pascals suction, 30 stronger than standard vacuums, effortlessly tackling pet hair, crumbs, dust, ash, and clumped litter. With 7 versatile accessories, it doubles as a blower, inflator, and deflator, making it perfect for keyboards, vents, car seats, air mattresses, pool floats, and storage bags. Dual filtration ensures cleaner output. The HEPA filter traps 99.99% of fine dust while the metal mesh blocks large debris. Emptying the bin is a breeze with a one-touch, 3-second release. Dual power modes let you choose Eco for everyday cleaning, 40-minute runtime, or Turbo for tough messes, 13 minutes, recharging conveniently via USB-C in about 3 hours, weighing only 0.8 pounds, it's ultra-portable and cordless, ready anywhere. The integrated LED headlight reveals hidden dirt in crevices, under furniture, and tight spots. Compact, powerful, and versatile, this vacuum redefines effortless cleaning. Now our second product is Hrycf car vacuum cleaners. The wireless car vacuum is a game changer for keeping your vehicle spotless. With 20,000 pascals of powerful suction, it easily cleans car seats, carpets, and tight nooks, tackling dust, crumbs, pet hair, and spills with ease. Its cordless design, powered by convenient Type-C charging, delivers ultimate portability, no outlets or cord hassles required. This 4-in-1 vacuum is incredibly versatile, featuring suction, blowing, inflating, and brushing capabilities. With 12 essential tools included, it handles everything from debris removal and tire inflation to deep cleaning car interiors. At just 1.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, fitting neatly in your glove box, trunk, or office drawer, making it perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Beyond cars, it works everywhere: bedrooms, kitchens, offices, and more. Compact yet powerful, this handheld vacuum reaches corners and crevices other vacuums miss. Efficient, portable, and multifunctional, it's the ultimate cleaning companion for anyone seeking a spotless ride and a cleaner home. Our third product is Svoko car vacuum cleaners. The Svoko 6-in-1 multifunctional mini vacuum cleaner is a powerhouse of versatility and convenience. With 20,000 pascals super suction from its upgraded high-speed brushless motor, it handles everything from car interiors and office desks to sofas and large stain areas. Its 3-level suction adjustment, 20 kPa/15 kPa/10 kPa, ensures optimal cleaning for every task. Beyond vacuuming, it functions as a blower, inflator, and even a mobile power source via its USB port. Safety features include a built-in car window breaker and U-shaped seatbelt cutter, making it a practical tool for emergencies. Portable and cordless, the Svoko vacuum has a long-lasting 3x2600 mAh battery with dual charging options, Type-C and USB, while the included HEPA filter traps fine dust for cleaner air. The complete set comes with a wide range of accessories: floor brushes, suction nozzles, inflator tips, and more, covering all cleaning needs. Lightweight, multifunctional, and reliable, this mini vacuum is perfect for home, car, or travel use, and even makes a thoughtful gift. Now number 4, Svoko car vacuum cleaners. The Svoko 3-in-1 multifunctional mini car vacuum cleaner is a versatile and powerful solution for home, office, and vehicle cleaning. Equipped with a variety of accessories, it handles blowing, sucking, and inflating tasks effortlessly, reaching tight gaps in keyboards, windows, and computers, while also cleaning sofas, car seats, workshops, and more. Powered by an upgraded high-speed brushless motor, it delivers 17,000 pascals of super suction, adjustable across 3 speeds, 7 kPa to 17 kPa, making it easy to tackle sand, dust, debris, and pet hair. Compact and lightweight at just 380 g, the foldable design allows cordless cleaning anywhere and convenient storage, fitting perfectly in your hand or bag. The vacuum comes with dual filters: a washable HEPA filter lasting 2 to 3 months and a fine steel filter with over a year of use, ensuring clean, dust-free air. With long-lasting 3x2500 mAh batteries and Type-C fast charging, it's always ready for use. The included accessories, from floor brushes to inflator nozzles, make it a complete, go-anywhere cleaning solution. And our last choice is Fanttik car vacuum cleaners. The slim V10 Apex 4-in-1 car vacuum is a compact yet versatile cleaning solution, perfect for small tasks like car interiors, desks, and keyboards. While less powerful than full-sized vacuums, it delivers efficient cleaning on the go, offering up to 15 minutes of runtime in high-speed mode. Equipped with a 120W brushless motor, it provides up to 19,000 pascals suction in high mode and up to 30 minutes in low mode, handling dust, hair, and debris effortlessly. Its 4-in-1 functionality, vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating, makes it a true all-rounder for cars, home, and travel. The HD Smart Digital Display shows battery levels and mode clearly, while one-button dust disposal simplifies cleanup. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's lightweight, portable, and easy to store. With 10 practical accessories, including crevice and pet brushes, it reaches tight spots and tackles pet hair with ease. Compact, versatile, and user-friendly, the slim V10 Apex is an excellent tool for convenient, efficient cleaning anytime, anywhere. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.